What's up guys, in this video I'm going to reveal more secrets regarding the hottest Android phone. Yeah guys, I'm talking about Nothing Phone 1. Nothing has just premiered a video on YouTube offering some behind the scenes looks at the creation of the company and the development of the Nothing Phone 1. In the following video, we get a look at the assembly line, design and development of the clip and its sounds and voice it in a meeting with the Qualcomm. The display panel clearly shows an outline of an in-display fingerprint scanner. If that wasn't evidence enough, Nothing's TikTok channel showed the in-display fingerprint in action. The Nothing Phone 1 is a mid-range smartphone from the company behind Carl P., one of the co-founders of OnePlus. It is powered by the Snapdragon 778G Plus and features a 6.55 inches OLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate. It also features a unique clip array of LED lamps that can flash for different notifications or they can be customized for different functions. Nothing will release the phone in Europe, UK, Middle East, Asia and Australia. The phone is rumored to cost around €470 and won't be coming to North America. Pre-orders for the Nothing Phone 1 are now open and the device will commercially launch next week on July 12. Also, here we have another leak regarding the Nothing Phone 1. A listing of the device on the TUV said website reveals that it will be capable of charging at up to 33 watt. That's definitely not going to place the Nothing Phone 1 at the forefront of quick charging these days, but considering its mid-range chipset and positioning, it probably won't feel entirely out of the place either. A few of its competitors go to the high 60s watts wise, and there are some oddballs here and there that do even more, but 33 watt isn't bad. It's just not amazing either. So yeah guys, this is for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.